Okay, so tell me, who do you think is cuter, Jake or Ryan?
Ryan, obviously. Have you seen him in PE class? Those arms.
Oh, please. Jake has that mysterious, brooding vibe. Like, I could fix him, you know?
Rachel, you always go for the drama. But honestly, I think Mr. Carter beats them all.
Oh my God. Yes. Did you see him at the assembly yesterday? He's like a movie star.
I swear, half the girls in school are already planning their weddings with him.
Anyway, even if Mr. Carter does notice someone, it's probably going to be someone like me. Not, someone like Bess.
Totally. Dana, you're the prettiest girl in class. He'd definitely notice you first.
Yeah, it's not even a competition. Bess, you probably wouldn't even be on his radar.
Don't feel bad, Bess. You're just kind of invisible, you know? It's not your fault.
Oh. But Bess, do you like anyone? You're always so quiet about stuff like this.
I don't really.
Of course she doesn't. I mean, who would notice her?
All right, enough of this. Bess, do me a favor and grab us some snacks from the cafeteria, will you? I'm craving a muffin.
And I want an iced tea. Don't forget, okay?
Oh, and some chips for me. You're the best, Bess.
Okay. Sure. I'll be back soon. Why do I always go along with them? Why can't I just say no? Maybe if I try harder, they'll really like me someday. Maybe.
Everyone, we have a new student joining us today. This is Camille Bennett. She just moved here, so let's all make her feel welcome.
Hi, everyone. I'm Camille. It's great to meet you all. Great. Another Miss Perfect. Let's see how long she lasts.
She's pretty, though. Might even give you some competition, Dana.
Please. She's nothing compared to me.
But I bet Mr. Carter will notice her. She seems like his type.
Whatever. Hey, I guess we're seatmates now. What's your name?
Hey. I'm Bess. Welcome to the class.
Thanks, Bess. Everyone seems nice so far.
I guess.
Look at her, acting like she's everyone's best friend. It's so fake.
Maybe she'll buddy up with Bess. Two invisible girls sticking together.
Perfect. That way she won't bother us. So, Bess, what do you guys usually do for fun around here? Any cool places to hang out?
Well, not really. I mean, there's a park nearby, but it's pretty boring.
A boring park sounds like my kind of place. We should check it out sometime.
Really?
Yeah. It's not about the place. It's about the company. Whoa, Bess, are you seriously doing all of that? Isn't that a little too much?
Oh, it's fine. It's not all for me.
Not for you? Then, who is it for?
Dana and the others. They said they didn't have time to finish, so I thought I'd help.
Are you kidding me? You're doing their work for them?
It's not a big deal. They'll be mad if I don't help.
Dana, we need to talk. Oh, about what? Stop making Bess do your work. It's unfair and completely unacceptable. Excuse me? I didn't make her do anything. She offered. Right, Bess?
I just wanted to help.
That's not the point, Bess. You shouldn't have to do their work. They're just taking advantage of you. Wow, Camille. You've been here for what, 2 days? And you think you know everything? Stay out of it! I may be new, but I know when something's wrong. And this is wrong, Dana. Whatever. Let's go, girls!
Why did Camille have to do that? Dana's going to hate me now. But she stood up for me. No one's ever done that before. Camille, you didn't have to do that. Now Dana's going to be mad at me.
Sometimes, standing up for yourself makes people mad. But it's better than letting them walk all over you.
Thanks for standing up for me.
Anytime, Bess. You deserve better. So, Bess, you've been getting pretty chummy with our new friend, huh?
I was just being polite. She's really nice, Dana.
Nice. Please. She's just trying to steal your attention, Dana.
Yeah, she's been acting like she owns the place. Someone needs to put her in her place.
And that someone, Bess, is going to be you.
Me? Why me?
Because you owe me. After everything I've done for you. Keeping you included, making sure people don't forget you exist. You're going to help us teach her a lesson.
But what do you want me to do?
Simple. Accidentally spill some water on her art project tomorrow. You know, the one she's been working on for weeks.
No, Dana, I can't do that. That's mean.
Can't? Or won't? Because if you don't, I'll make sure everyone in the school knows how loyal you really are. You'll be eating lunch alone for the rest of the year. Hey, Bess. What do you think? Does it look okay?
It's beautiful.
Don't chicken out, Bess. Bess, why would you do that?
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Was it?
Camille, I'm really sorry. I mean it.
I just didn't expect this from you.
All right, everyone, time's up. Please bring your finished paintings to the front desk. Camille, where's your painting? I remember seeing your sketch last week. It looked promising.
I don't have it, sir.
What do you mean you don't have it? This assignment was worth a significant part of your grade.
It got ruined. I couldn't finish it in time.
Ruined? By whom? How?
It was my fault, sir. I wasn't careful enough. I spilled water on it.
Careless mistakes like this won't get you anywhere, Camille. Step outside. You'll stand there for the rest of the period.
She didn't tell the truth. She could have said it was me, but she didn't. Why? Why would she do that? Camille. I'm sorry.
For what? It's just a painting. There are more important things in life.
I have to make this right. She didn't deserve any of this. Camille, I'll find a way to make it up to you. Excuse me, sir, can I talk to you for a moment?
Of course. What's on your mind?
It's about Camille's painting.
Go on.
It wasn't her fault. I'm the one who ruined it.
You? How did that happen?
I spilled water on it. But it wasn't an accident. I did it on purpose.
Why would you do something like that, Bess? That doesn't sound like you.
Because Dana and the others told me to. They said if I didn't, they'd turn everyone against me.
So you were pressured into it. Did you tell Camille the truth?
No, but I will. I feel terrible.
Don't worry about Dana and the others. I'll handle this. You focus on making things right with Camille.
Thank you, sir. I will. I'll talk to her tomorrow. I feel lighter. But I know this isn't over. Dana won't forgive me for this. I'll just have to be ready.
Well, looks like Dana's finally getting what she deserves. So, Bess, what's up? You said you wanted to talk to me?
Camille, I need to tell you something.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
About what happened yesterday. It wasn't an accident. Dana told me to do it. She threatened me, and I was too scared to say no.
Well, I know.
You knew?
From the first day I came here, I noticed how things worked between you and Dana. She controls, you follow. It's not hard to see.
I'm so sorry, Camille. I know I don't deserve your forgiveness, but I couldn't keep this to myself anymore.
I don't blame you, Bess. I never did. But can I tell you something important?
Of course.
If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. You have to stand up for yourself. People will treat you the way you let them.
You're right. I know you're right. I'm done letting Dana control me. I know she might try to make my life miserable, but I don't care anymore.
That's the spirit.
And besides, I have a friend like you now.
Well, you're stuck with me now. Hope you're ready for that.
I think I'll survive. Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.